Now let's go and add our payment method. So click here on add payment method right here, or you could also go here into getting paid. And from here, you could go into connect and set up. So it's basically the same thing. And from here, you could now start accepting payments. So click here on connect payment method. So these are the payment methods available. So there's PayPal, manual payments, which you could accept cash or check or other custom forms of payment, or you could click here on see more payment options. And take note that you might have more payment options depending on your location. So in my case, here is my options in here. So I have Payment Wall, HitPay, online payments by Zendit, DragonPay, and so on. So I don't want any of this one right here. I just would want the PayPal right here and then manual payments. So I'm just going to set up my PayPal here. So click here on Connect for PayPal. Now, in here, you would need to enter your PayPal account email in the form below. And then, so now I'm just going to input mine right here. So now once you have inputted yours and click on the connect button, you will now be prompted into this website right here in PayPal, where you would need permission to connect, and click here on the email and then the country and region. So in my case, I'll just go for the PH right here because my currency in my Wix store is in PHP. So I'm just going to select Philippines and click on next right here. And then you would have to log into your PayPal account. So in here, as you can see, it says that you'll need a business account to accept payment using PayPal on Wix.com. So you would need to create a business account first if you don't have one yet on your PayPal account by clicking here on next. And then you will now be starting the process here in creating your PayPal account. So this is a whole other topic. You can just go through this on-screen instructions on your own. These are just your personal details that you will be giving. So yeah, just go through this if you'd want to create a PayPal business account. And now, as you can see, I wouldn't be able to connect it yet because I would need to upgrade my plan. So if you'd want to upgrade your plan so that you'd be able to accept payments, make sure to use the link in the description so that you'd be able to get exclusive deals and bonuses.